So firstly, we're going to remove the ram so we can charge it full of water. We now place the empty ram into the bucket of water to fill it up. The ram is now totally charged, ready for use. You'll note the rubbish on top of the water. With its helical groove instead of a hole, this means the system won't block up. Keep low. We've reassembled the ram now and it's ready, fully charged, for when the boat starts to accelerate away. As soon as the driver hits the throttle, the water will push underneath the plate and then it will resist. Now, the boat's on the plane moving at speed. As the boat goes along, the plate actually follows up and down with the light internal spring that dampens the movement. The next situation is, you're running along and you hit a boat wake. The whole boat, the engine, the plates come out of the water. Instantly, the plate retracts. But when you reconnect back with the water, the plate just moves out of the way again, easy. Therefore, no damage.